Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail theme or your Gmail account background picture, right? So the background picture that you see in my background here, so that I'm going to show you how you can change the theme of that. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now for you to get started, as you can see, I'm already on my Gmail account here. So I'm going to show you how you can change this theme or the background picture that you see in my background right here. So for you to do that, I just want you to come to your setting right here, click on setting, and then this tab should be opening up. Now if you scroll down or if you look here, you will see you got these three. So you can choose whichever one you want to use. If you were to click on that one, as you can see, the background picture is changing as well. Can choose whichever one you want to use, right? You can just click on any, and then as you can see, the background picture is changing. But as you can see, there are a lot. If you click on view all, you will see you have all these, right? You can choose whichever one you want to use. All these you can choose from there, right? So I'm just going to set mine to that, and then once you're done, you can just click on save, right? And then as you can see, you have that background there. So yeah, that's how you can change your Gmail account theme or the background picture on your Gmail account. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.